Hello children, I am Harminder Kaur Suri from Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Let's explore today parts of a plant, the function of various parts of a plant and uses of various parts of a plant. Children, let's do an activity. Take a glass and fill it more than half with water. Put a drinking straw in it. I know you can easily drink water by taking the glass to mouth and sipping it. Today, I have a challenge before you. The challenge is to drink water without touching the glass. I am sure you must have thought of an idea. Now, tell me what you will do to sip the water without touching your hand. Oh yes, you will drink water by sucking through the straw. Great. You see that here water in glass and straw are sucking air and are helping you to drink it. Have you ever wondered how plants drink water? Well, it's possible through roots. The roots are under the soil part of a plant. You will wonder that during rain most of the water goes inside the soil. That is why you feel less need of watering the plants in your garden. Whereas in summer season you need to water plants very frequently. Well children, this water is absorbed by the roots of plants. These roots goes deep inside the soil and drink water. If there is no water, the plants will wilt and die after some time. That's why Mali Bhaiya waters plant regularly in your school and so you do at your home. Children, these magic roots also have the power to hold the soil tightly. It is very important job done by roots as it prevents soil from being washed away during rain and fast blowing wind. This in turn help us to save top layer of soil, which is very fertile. But some roots also store food for us so that we can eat and get energy to do work, run and play. We will study in later part today. Let me show you some examples. You know, roots are broadly of two types. Thread-like, which you see in grass, coriander, mint, money plant, etc. Thick and stout, you see in common plants around you like pea, ladyfinger, tomato, neem tree, hibiscus plants, etc. But children, do you remember playing under a huge banyan tree? I suppose yes. You must have enjoyed clinging to long branches and enjoying swing. Well, you will be surprised that these are not branches. These are hanging roots of banyan tree. They provide extra support to branches as the tree is huge one. Now please close your eyes and recall a trip to the vegetable market with your parents. You see fruits, veggies, hawkers, colorful carts and shops displaying eatables, etc. You also must have observed some vegetables, namely beetroot, turnip and carrots. They will grow under the soil. Well children, these are roots which store food for us. Fresh beetroot juice along with carrot juice is very healthy for us. Both these underground vegetables also relished in salad. I know all of you relish gajar ka halwa in winters and tangy gajar ka achar increases our appetite. Can you tell me, where have you seen special roots, part of which grows above the soil? They are found in some plants which are commonly seen around us. For example, maize plant and sugarcane. They are called stilt roots. They grow from a part of stem close to ground to provide extra support to these plants. You must be thinking, why extra support is needed to such plants? Yes, because they are very delicate and can fall when fast wind blows. So, nature has gifted them with extra supporting roots which are also above the soil. Hope you understood right. Well, let us now talk of some parts of plants which are above soil and visible to you. You must have seen brown woody tall structure above ground like mango tree, and sometimes green soft structure like that of tomato plant, and flaccid coil like green structure, the one in money plant. From such part of a plant, branches, leaves, bud and flowers grow. This kind of part is called stem. I know you have learned the story of the cap seller and the monkeys in NCERT Mridang, where all the monkeys took over all the caps and sat on branches of tree. Lot of branches grow on stem with variety of branching pattern. Some form network, some grow in conical form like that of Auricera, commonly known as Christmas tree. These branches give support to leaves and flowers. Also, they help sunlight to spread evenly so that plant can grow. In the beginning of today's lesson, you witnessed an activity using straw which was used to pull water to mouth. Similarly, the stem also carries water to every branch, leaf, flowers and fruits. So, it is protected by thick bark. Children, never engrave on the bark or remove bark. They protect the stem of a plant. Very amazing, isn't it? Hope you understood the function of stem. So, it must be clear that branches, leaves, fruits, flowers all grow on stem. Recall your imagination trip to vegetable market today in this session. You must have seen some more variety of vegetables like potato, ginger, onion. They are stems. You will study in detail in higher classes. Children, you live in your house which protects you from bad weather. Similarly, some animals also make their home in tree trunk, for example, owl. I am sure you will never cut a tree which is home for birds and some aerial animals. Now we talk of leaves. Well, go to a plant outside your house and try to count the number of leaves. Are you able to do it? Oh, I know, they are many in number. Can you guess the reason why? More the leaves, healthier the plant. Yes, because they make food for the plant with the help of sunlight. Like your mummy make delicious yummy dishes for you. Also leaves give out fresh air for us. You have learnt in poem Hawa in Hindi textbook Sarangi. Now you got to learn why you gift green plants on your birthday to school. It's a good gesture. Remember, you also gift green plant to your chairman sir on annual sports day celebration. Let's recall a poem from NCERT textbook Sarangi. जन्म दिवस पर पेड़ लगाओ, हरा भरा संसार बसाओ, जन्म दिवस पर पेड़ लगाओ. Do you remember your mother cooking methi ka paratha, sarson ka saag for you? Yummy palak pakoras, tasty ones. So, these are all leaves. They give us food. Now you know leaves are very useful to us. On observing various leaves in picture as well as our surroundings, we can conclude that leaves have different shapes, sizes, fragrances and even colors. During monsoon, leaves are green During winters at high mountains, they are covered with snow, and during summer they turn brown and fall. It's similar to you changing clothes in various seasons around the year. Tulsi, lemon leaves found around you have a pungent odor. I mean, they have characteristic smell. Neem leaves have medicinal properties. Palm leaves were used as writing material in the Indian subcontinent, reportedly dating back to 5th century. Their use continued until the 19th century, when printing presses replaced handwritten manuscripts. Now guess a riddle. Spring is the time when children play. It blooms every day. What is it? Yes, you guess it right. It is flower. I know you all like to wear red rose on your jacket like Pandit Nehru, our first Prime Minister of independent India, your favorite Chacha Nehru, whose birthday 14th November you celebrate as Bal Divas every year. Likewise, insects are also attracted by color and fragrance of flowers. Flowers have juice called nectar, and insects like honeybee, butterflies have that nectar as food. Flowers are also eaten in form of vegetables. For example, banana flower, kachnar, drumstick flowers are used to make special recipes. Most of the flowers grow into fruits and vegetables. Now let us talk about various fruits and vegetables grown on plants. Children, a flower has 3 stages: bud, flower and fruit. This means when a flower matures, it turns into fruit or vegetable. Students, in your age, you understand that fruits are sweet and eaten raw, but vegetables are eaten when cooked. Also, seeds grow to new plants. Vegetables are parts including root, stem, leaf, etc. Dry fruits are also a type of energy-giving food, for example, figs, raisins, apricots, etc. Plants play a very crucial role in human lives and help all living organisms to survive. All the living creatures on earth depends upon plant for shelter, food, medicines and other materials of everyday life. Can you name some plants which grow without growing seeds? Please think. Okay, I will help you here. Some commonly found plants around you are money plant, jade, snake plant, giloy, which is commonly used in Ayurveda, sugarcane, potato, the king of all vegetables, beautiful rose, tangy lemon, mint, used for chutney are some examples of plants which grow by stem. Still some plants grow by sowing leaves. For example, bryophyllum, commonly called patthar chat in Hindi, jade and snake plant. World of plant is really amazing. So let us now learn about the uses of plants. Children, all things needed for our survival are obtained from plants. They give us fresh air to breathe and make surroundings clean. So, never cut trees. Instead, each one plant one. Make this world beautiful and plant in plenty. It's said every person must plant at least one tree in his life. Plants also give us food in the form of cereals like rice, wheat, maize, barley, quinoa, etc. Oats, which form tasty breakfast, is liked by all kids. They also give us fruits like apple, mango, oranges, grapes, kiwi and vegetables like ladyfinger, cucumber, cauliflower, capsicum, etc. Pulses like chickpeas, moong, urad, arhar, chana dal are essential for growth of a body. We get spices which add flavor to our food like saffron, jeera, elaichi, etc. Most of the spices are available in Kerala. Saffron is grown in Kashmir. Your mother uses saffron in kheer, paisam, milk, etc. It's very expensive. Plants also give us medicine like neem, cinchona, gum of acacia. All parts of neem tree, leaves, flowers, seeds, fruits, roots and bark have been used traditionally for the treatment of inflammation, infections, fever, skin diseases and dental disorders. Also, trees provide us timber to make furniture and house. Paper is made from bamboo plant, pine and fir plant. It is used for making copies in which you write, eco-friendly packing material, printing your books, etc. I hope you will not tear pages from your notebooks and be a good citizen to contribute towards green earth. Plants give us raw material to make cotton clothes, rubber mats, eraser, rubber gloves, boots, shoe soles, car wipers, car bus tires, bouncy balls are all made from the rubber plant. Most vegetable oils are obtained from the plants like coconut, mustard, sunflower oil, olive oil. They are also used for cooking. Flowers like roses, jasmine, lavender have scents and are used to make itr. Some flowers are also used for making dye and color. Most commonly available caffeinated beverages like tea and coffee, which are obtained from leaves and beans respectively. Caffeine-free beverages like juices are obtained from fruits like mango, orange, melon, kokum are liked by people. Flowers are used to make garland which are used in religious places, marriages, for decoration. The flowers used are rose, jasmine, marigold, orchids, etc. Grass, maize, wheat, sugarcane are also used as feed for cattle, horses, goats, sheep, rabbits, elephants, etc. Children, have you ever wondered that disposable plates used by you on birthday parties are also plant product? Palm leaf, banana leaf plates called pattal are commonly used at large gatherings. Not only this, banana leaves with stem are flanked at entrance of marriage halls and auspicious occasions like marriage mandapam. Talk to your Mali Bhaiya in school about use of waste food peels you throw in biodegradable green dustbins and dry leaves in school campus. He makes best out of waste, turns them into compost. Wow! Mali Bhaiya is a good citizen by contributing towards making air clean. You know that burning paddy or leaves or any waste is banned in India. Let us revise what we have learned today. In today's video, we learnt about two things. A. Parts of a plant like root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit, seeds, and inside fruit we have seeds. We learnt about uses of parts of a plant. You have learnt how plants are helpful to us in multiple ways. They give us fresh air, food, timber, medicines, clothes, rubber, paper, gum, dyes, spices, and some parts are also used for decoration and have religious significance. To check your understanding, please do an assignment given below. Number 1. Have a nature walk near your home with your parent and find the name of plants grown. Do not pluck any part of a plant. Number 2. Find out if your local school has a terrace garden or make one for your class. Number 3. Vegetable printing. Take ladyfingers, cut a transverse section, make many pieces. Now apply any watercolor using brush. Now press it against the drawing sheet to make a design. A sample is done for you. Also use variety of leaves to create shape of an animal. A sample is done for you. Take 2 pots filled with fertile soil and sow rajma seeds. Keep one plant inside your class cupboard and the other outside under the sun. Water both regularly. After 15 days, find out which pot will have healthy bean plant. Discuss the reason with your teacher. With this note, we wrap up. Thanks for watching.